These big balls of granite, they look as if they've been put here, but obviously they haven't. Their formation is fairly easy to describe. Volcanic eruptions, magma, lava, cooling. And then the next layer comes up from the Earth's crust and pushes this one higher. And there's cooling going on underneath. And eventually you've got layers, and the outside of which are eroded away. And you're left with the inner, harder core. This one here shows there's a split. That's caused by weathering, rain, wind, sandblast, temperature change, extreme heat and cold. So you've got a split, and eventually that one will split and fall. And you can see where smaller boulders have fallen off due to weathering. And the whole area of this parkland is characteristic of these rocks. And civilization of man has lived in the area for 400,000 years. And this is one of the attractions of Zimbabwe. These beautiful granite rocks. And you can drop a stone underfoot and you can feel a hollowing vibration sound. Exfoliation is taking place, which means in geographical terms, in a short period of time, relatively speaking, there's more splitting of rocks occurring. And underneath these rocks is a bigger version that we're standing on. And over in the distance you can see how the process started over there. All the space between these hills was once rock, which has been blasted away as members of soft rock, and you're left with the hard, stubborn pieces that are left as circles of rock or big boulders or nubs sticking out as hills. It's truly an interesting part of the world. Matopos National Park. It cost a foreigner $15 to enter, plus you got to pay for the car being allowed here, and to come up to this part you got to pay again. National parks are free in England because the economy can be that generous to the public, but in many parts of the world where money is a big problem, you have to pay. And to pay to come to the top of this hill is just another layer of revenue. But these are fantastic world sculptured examples, and it's well worth the visit. And anybody interested in physical geography, this venue is a must. This is Turner's Travels, once again thrilled to be in a noteworthy part of the world.